Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Facebook app. Now click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Now click on Settings and Privacy option. Click on Settings option once again. Now go to Personal Details option. Click on Account Ownership and Control option. Then click on Deactivation or Deletion option. Select the Facebook account. Then select Delete Account option. Tap on Continue button. Here you'll have to select a reason to delete your account. Then tap on Continue button. Click on Continue option once again. Scroll down your screen and click on Continue option. Now you'll have to enter your password. Then tap on Continue button. Finally, click on the Delete Account option. And that is how you can delete your Facebook account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.